Welcome back students. I hope you have completed exercise 7a in mathematics. Today I am going to explain multiplying two digit numbers by one digit numbers. Multiplying two digit numbers by one digit number. By one digit number. It means multiplying two digit numbers by one digit number. From example you can understand as 40 multiplied by 3. You can see 40 multiplied by 3. How can you understand? 40 multiplied by 3, it means you can also say 4 tens. 4 tens means 40 multiplied by 3. Also you can say 3 multiplied by 4 tens. Also you can say 3 multiplied by 4 tens. Means if you are taking 4 tens 3 times, 4 tens 3 times. So also you can understand this 4 tens 3 times. How many times? 4 tens 3 times. See, 4 tens 3 times. 4 tens plus 4 tens plus 4 tens. Understand? 4 tens you can add how many times? 3 times. So 4 tens means 40 plus 4 tens means 40 plus 4 tens means 40. 40, 40, 40. 40, 40, 80. 80 and 40, 120. 80 and 40, 120. In this way, you can understand 40 multiplied by 3 means 4 tens multiplied by 3. It means same 3 multiplied by 4 tens. 4 tens means 4 times, you can see 4 tens, how many times? 3 times. If you are adding 4 tens 3 times, so 1 time tens, 2 time tens and 3 time tens. So 4 tens means 40. Tens means 10, 4 into 10. So 4 tens means 40, 4 tens means 40, 4 tens means 40. It means you can say 40 plus 40, 80, 80 plus 40, 120. So total 120. If I am multiplying 40 into 3, also you can get 120. How? See, 40 multiplied by 3. 3, if I multiply 3 with 0, so you know, if you are multiplying 0 with any number, or if you are multiplying any number with 0, the result will always come 0. Means the result will always come 0. So 3 into 0 means 0 here, and 3 multiplied by 4. You can count the table. 3 multiplied by 4. 3 4 ja 12. So 3 4 ja 12. So 120. In this way also you can see 120. In this way also you can see 120. It means if you are adding 43 times, if you are adding 43 times, you can get also 120. If you are directly multiplying 40 multiplied by 3, so 3 into 0, it means 0 and 3 fourths ja 12 here. So it means it is 120. So answer is 120. In this way also 120. In this way 120. It means multiplying two digit numbers by one digit number. multiplying two-digit number means 40 with one-digit number means 3. After that, some examples are there. You can study at home. And here, exercise 7b. Exercise number 7b. First question. Exercise 7b. Question number first. A. 12 multiplied by 4. 12 multiplied by 4. You can see 12 multiplied by 4. 12 is the digit. 12 is the two-digit number and multiplied by one-digit number 4. So firstly, you take 4 multiplied by 2 as supposed to this is ones and this is tens. Firstly, you multiply by 4 with ones. After that, you multiply by 4 with tens. Tens means 1. So you can see 4 2 ja 8 and 4 1 ja 4. So 4 2 ja 8 and after that 4 1 ja 4. In this way, you can see 48. Question number first be 13 multiplied by 3. 13 multiplied by 3. 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. So also you can do 3 3 ja 9. So firstly multiply by 3. Multiply 3 with ones. After then you multiply 3 with tens. So ones place 3, tens place 1. So 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. After that, question number C, question number D and question number E. All questions of question number first you can do yourself today itself, and question number second you can try today. See, second day. 12 multiplied by 5. You can see ones and tens. Firstly, you multiply 5 with ones. 5 to the 10, 0. 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10. 10 means you can write here 0 and 1 carry. 1 carry. 5 on the 5 and 1 6. Like that you can do. After that, question number second B. Second B. 14 multiplied by 6. 14 multiplied by 6. 6 4 ja. First you multiply 6 with 4. 6 4 ja 24. You write here 24. Here you write at ones place 4. 6 4 ja 24. 4 you write here and this 2 carry with here. Carry. So 6 1 ja 6 and 2. 6 1 ja 6 and 2 8. 84. After that, question number C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. You can do yourself. So today, you solve at home as homework exercise 7b. What I have solved also, first question, you solve A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J in your book also and your copy also. And question number second, also you solve in book also and in copy also. And you try to do question number third. And tomorrow I will explain question number third and fourth of today's class. Thank you.